Not too bad. Looks like a sewing machine. Sound of flat lifters or worn out lifters. It comes and goes. Usually once the engine warms up, you don't hear it at all. But it's a little bit cool before you just get your mouth in.